Hi! In front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see now, my sweater and all of those features are gray. That means that autofill is off, but you can always switch it back on by hitting the same sweater again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!